ASVAB Mechanical. Comprehension 2026. Section Overview. MC Test. 25 questions in 19 minutes on CAT ASVAB. Tests understanding of mechanical principles, simple machines, force, and motion. For example, important for technical jobs in military. Required for many electronics and maintenance roles. 6 simple machines. 1. Lever, bar with fulcrum. 2. Pulley, wheel with rope. 3. Wheel and axle, large wheel on small axle. 4. Inclined plane, ramp. 5. Wedge, 2 inclined planes. 6. Screw, inclined plane wrapped around cylinder. Lever classes. Class 1 fulcrum between effort and load, seesaw. Class 2 load between fulcrum and effort, wheelbarrow. Class 3 effort between fulcrum and load, tweezers. Pulley mechanical advantage. Force multiplier. Fixed pulley, changes direction only, MA equals 1. Movable pulley, MA equals 2. Compound system, MA equals number of supporting ropes. For example, lifting 200 pounds with MA of 4 requires 50 pounds effort, but 4x more rope length. Gear ratios. Speed versus torque. Larger gear turns slower with more torque. Smaller gear turns faster with less torque. Adjacent gears spin opposite directions. For example, 12-tooth gear meshes with 24-tooth gear, 2 rotations of small equals 1 rotation of large. Hydraulics. Pascal's principle. Pressure applied to fluid transmits equally in all directions. Small force on small piston equals larger force on larger piston, with longer travel. For example, hydraulic lift uses small input cylinder to lift heavy car via larger output cylinder. Friction types. 3 kinds. Static friction prevents motion, highest. Kinetic friction opposes moving object. Rolling friction is lowest. Reduce with lubrication or smooth surfaces. For example, pushing heavy box, static friction holds it until force overcomes, then lower kinetic friction. Newton's laws applied. Forces. F equals ma. Force equals mass times acceleration. Larger force needed for greater mass or acceleration. Net force determines motion change. For example, push 100 kg cart with 50 N force, acceleration equals 50 divided by 100 is equal to 0.5 m/s superscript 2. Work and energy. Formulas. Work equals force times distance. Power equals work/time. Energy is the ability to do work. Kinetic energy, motion, potential energy, stored. For example, lifting 10 N weight 2 meters, work equals 20 joules. Pressure and buoyancy. 1. Pressure equals force/area. 2. Smaller area equals more pressure. 3. Buoyant force equals weight of displaced fluid. 4. Objects float if less dense than fluid. 5. Hydraulic systems amplify force. Springs and tension. Hooke's law. Spring force proportional to stretch or compression. F equals kx where k is spring constant. Stiffer springs have larger k. For example, spring stretches 2 cm under 10 N, k equals 5 newtons per centimeter. With 20 N stretch is 4 cm, sample question types. 1. Which lever class is this tool? 2. How many ropes support the pulley load? 3. Which gear rotates faster? 4. Where is the most pressure? 5. Calculate mechanical advantage. Most tested topics. Lever classes identification, pulley system counting, gear direction and speed, and hydraulic force calculation make up 50 to 60% of MC questions.